Kapatid, musta? Tara, Bible study tayo. Basahin natin ang 2 Samuel chapter 23 verse 20b. He also went down into a pit on a snowy day and killed a lion. Bigyan kita ng senaryo. Try killing a lion in a perfect sunny weather. Si Benaiah ay isa sa mga mighty men ni King David. So while he was trying to chase down a lion, the lion decided to jump down a snowy pit to trap Benaiah. So instead of running the opposite direction, Benaiah jumped into the snowy pit where the lion was waiting. Long story short, the lion died. Kapatid, wag mong takasan ng problema. Harapin mo. Huwag mong hayaang lamunin ka ng takot at discouragement. Minsan, konting salita lang, offended ka na. Konting problema lang, suko ka na. Konting bigat lang, umiiyak ka na. Si Benaiah, leon ang hinarap niya at hindi niya lang hinarap, pinatay niya. I-challenge mo ang sarili mo. Don't get stuck. Release your hidden potential and be the best version of yourself. Your success is waiting for you on the other side. Kumilos ka and take responsibility for yourself and for your future. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you on our next Bible study. God bless.